Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I'm glad to see all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Diki Wahyudi.
And I, Alif Imam Santoso. The purpose of my presentation is instrumental engineering.
Instrumentation engineering. Instrumentation is defined as the well-defined branch of engineering from 1998. Variable within a production or manufacturing area. The process variable used in industrial area level, pressure, temperature, humidity, flow, pH, approach, speed h. Control engineer or control system engineering is the engineering discipline that applies control theory to design system with desired behaviors. Control engineers are responsible for the research, design, development, and control device or system, typically in manufacturing facility and plant. Operative use sensor to measure the output performance of the device being controlled, and this measurement can be used to give feedback to the input actuator that can make correction toward design performance.
When a device is designed to perform without the need of human input for correction, it is called automatic control, or cast as cruise control for regulation of car speed. The discipline in natural control system engineering activity focus on implementation of control system mainly derived by mathematical modeling of system of a diverse range.
Teknik kontrol. Instrumentasi didefinisikan sebagai cabang rekayasa yang didefinisikan dengan baik sejak 1998. Variabel dalam area produksi atau manufaktur. Variabel proses yang digunakan dalam industri adalah tingkat tekanan, suhu, kelembapan, aliran, pH, kekuatan, kecepatan, dan lain-lain. Rekayasa kontrol atau rekayasa sistem kontrol adalah disiplin teknik yang menerapkan teori kontrol untuk merancang sistem dengan perilaku yang diinginkan. Insinyur kontrol bertanggung jawab atas perangkat, sistem penelitian, pengembangan, dan kontrol atau sistem. Biasanya difasilitasi manufaktur dan pabrik.
Ketika sebuah perangkat dirancang untuk bekerja tanpa perlu input manusia untuk koreksi, hal itu disebut kontrol otomatis, atau seperti kontrol pelayanan untuk mengatur kecepatan mobil. Disiplin di alarm. Kegiatan rekayasa sistem kontrol fokus pada penerapan sistem kontrol, terutama berasal oleh pemodelan matematika dari sistem yang beragam.
For the article, we want to explain about WH, active and passive, verbal and nominal sentence, tenses and feature. Why the another use tenses? WH. Number 1. What is control engineering? Control engineer is engineering discipline that applies control theory to design system with designer force.
Number 2. When was instrumentation defined as the well-defined branch of engineering? Instrumentation was defined as the well-defined branch of engineering from 1998.
Number 3. Why does engineer use sensor to measure the output performance of device that are being controlled in instrumentation? Because the sensor can give feedback to the input actuator that can make correction toward desired performance. Number 4. Where are the process variable levels, pressure, temperature, speed in control engineering used? Process variable level, pressure, temperature, speed in control engineering are used in industry.
Number 5. Who is responsible for device research system? development control in manufacturing and factory facilities. He is a control engineer.
Number 6. How does engineer measure the output performance of a device that is being controlled? Engineer can use sensor to measure the output performance of the device being controlled. Verbal and nominal sentence. Number 1. Control engineering is the engineering discipline that applies control theory to design system with desired behaviors. Nominal type. Number 2. Instrumentation was defined as the well-defined branch of engineering from 1998. Verbal type. Number 3. Because the sensor can give feedback to the input actuator that can make correction toward desired performance. Verbal type. Number 4. We can use sensor to make sure the output performance of the device being controlled. Verbal type. Number 5. He is a controlled engineering nominal type. Tenses and veteran. Number 1. Instrumentation was defined as the well-defined branch of engineering from 1998. Simple past tense. Number 2. Because the sensor can give feedback to the input actuator that can make correction toward desired performance. Simple present tense. Process variable label, pressure, temperature, speed in control engineering are used in industry. Simple present tense. Number 4. It is control engineering. Simple present tense. Number 5. We can use sensor to measure the output performance of the defined being controlled. Simple
And passive. Number 1. Instrumentation was defined as the well-defined branch of engineering from 1998. Passive. Number 2. Engineer defined instrumentation as the well-defined branch of engineering from 1998. Active. Number 2. Number 3. Because the sensor can give feedback to the input actuators that can make correction. Active. Number 4. Feedback can be given to the input actuators that can make correction toward design performed by sensor. Passive. Number 5. Process variable level, pressure, speed in control engineering are used in industry. Passive. Number 6. Industries use process variable level, pressure, temperature, speed in control engineering. Active. We say thank you to Mrs. Rela and Mr. Zalzulifa for being good leaders, and hopeful success will always follow you. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.